Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a proper audio driver. Pick a CO or your interface driver for minimal latency. Next, set the sample rate to 44, 1K or 48K, and reduce buffer to between 64 and 256 samples. This balances latency and stability. Once done, route a physical mic input to a mixer track in FL Studio, enable record on that track, and arm the playlist or transport for recording. These first steps open the signal path, so sound can be captured cleanly and reliably. Now you perform a sound check and record. Enable input monitoring so you can hear yourself, or use direct monitoring on the interface for zero latency. This helps your performance. Make a level pass aiming for peaks around -12 to -6 dB to preserve headroom. Use the playlist loop or punch in /out controls for multiple takes. Record short, focused passes rather than one long run. Once you have usable takes, save them and label each region. Comping becomes fast and precise. Finish by editing and processing your vocal tracks. Use playlist comping or Edison to trim and assemble the best takes, add short fades to prevent clicks and clean breaths or noise. Route vocals to a bus for shared reverb and compression. Apply corrective EQ, gentle compression, and a de-esser where needed, because this creates consistency and clarity. When ready, export stems or the full mix at your chosen bit depth. If you see no input, check driver selection, cable connections, and input gain. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.